In this video, I'll show you how to fix Amazon Prime Video cannot be played on Roku. At the end of this video, I will also show a picture of my dog, which you do not want to miss. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Test your internet connection using another device or run a speed test. Restart your router if the connection is slow or unstable. Step 2. Restart Roku device. Unplug your Roku from power for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Power it on and try playing Amazon Prime Video again. Step 3. Update Roku software. Navigate to Settings, System Update, and then check Now. Download and install any available updates. Step 4. Remove and reinstall Prime Video app. Highlight the Prime Video app, press the star or asterisk button. This will open the options menu, and then select remove channel. Restart Roku, then reinstall the app from streaming channels. Step 5. Clear the temporary cache. Press home 5 times on your Roku remote, then up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. Now Roku will reboot and clear temporary cache. Step 6. Check Amazon Prime Video server status. Go to downdetector.com to see if Amazon Prime servers are experiencing issues. If this is the case, then you will have to wait until the service is restored. Step 7. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, disable it, as Amazon Prime may block access from those. Step 8. Factory reset Roku. Only do this as a last resort if nothing else works. Go to Settings, System, then Advanced System Settings and Factory Reset. Set up your Roku and reinstall Amazon Prime Video. Now, a factory reset will reset your entire TV, so only do this when nothing else works. Step 9. Contact Roku or Amazon support. If the issue persists, you can contact Roku or Amazon support for further assistance. And that is how you fix your Amazon Prime Video working or not working. I hope you like this video and that it helped you. Now, do you like this picture of my dog? I definitely do. He is very cute. Have a nice day. Subscribe.